Welcome everyone, this is Vlogs of an Idol. My name is Joen. So, you guys know the pandemic, right? Yes, the pandemic that caused by the COVID-19 virus. Well, a lot of companies started adjusting to the new normal. And by adjusting, I mean producing products suitable to use and help ease the troubles in this pandemic. One example of this is Tronsmart's first ever earbuds with built-in UV sterilization, the Tronsmart Onyx Free. So Tronsmart is a tech brand that designs and manufactures world-class tech accessories which has rapidly expanded in America, Europe, Middle East, and many Asian countries. The core value of Tronsmart is to make your life easier by providing you with high-tech, high-quality, and high-performance products. Hence, making an earbuds with UV sterilization. In this video, we'll be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the Tronsmart Onyx Free. But before we head on, if you'll enjoy this video, a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel would be marvelous. Right off the bat, here is the box. At the front, it says safer than ever, which highlights its UV sterilization capabilities. And at the bottom are its key features. At the side, it shows that it has high-quality Panasonic buttons with a woman using the earbuds. At the back shows more of its features, another side which shows how the sterilization works, and at the top is a neat orange hanger for easy storing. As we open up the box, a clear case is covering the items inside. We push two of these arrows to pull out the case and we should see a clearer look on the charging case, the earbuds, and the ear tips. As we pull out the case, there is a writing underneath which says accessory is under the tray. Let's first take out the earbuds and pull out the tray. Then we should see its Type-C cable, the warranty card, and this weird huge-ass complicated manual. Now let's put the earbuds in the case for its initial startup. So here's my first impressions. For the budget tier earbuds, they surely pack a lot of features. Its major selling point, the built-in UV sterilization, is a great addition to the situations happening in the planet. But it mainly sterilizes its ear tips, not the entire earbuds. Even so, getting that feature at this price point really makes you think on spending much money on expensive earbuds. The Tronsmart Onyx Free is priced at $40, so that really won't break your wallets. It is already on a Qualcomm chipset for more stable and faster connection. Actually, just by opening the case, it will automatically pair up if you've turned on your Bluetooth. I noticed that it pairs up both of the earbuds simultaneously, hence it being not on a master-slave configuration. Compatible with aptX, AAC, and SBC audio codecs for that high-quality sound performance. I noticed as well that budget tier earphones are really stepping up on their category. It is on a physical button control, and I say I prefer this type of control rather than the Smart Touch because you could easily avoid accidental playing or pausing your music when touching the earbuds. Although even if it is a physical button, it still feels soft and seems easily be pressed on, but it does not lose its preciseness. A more effortless control, if I must say. What's also great is that it has controls for changing the volumes and for forward and previous playback, which a lot of earbuds are missing. But it does not stop there. It also has manual controls for turning the earbuds on and off. Actually, it has 10 button controls, which for me are a little bit confusing at first, and you have to be precise on pressing those buttons. Have I mentioned that it is also waterproof? It has an IPX7 rating, which can definitely withstand rains, sports activities, and is capable of immersion in water at a shallow depth. So for me, another earbuds that I could bring while taking a bath. Although the good side on this one is that I may not experience the same issues I had with the Mizone B6 on the Tronsmart Onyx Free for it having physical buttons. But we will know that later on once we do a full review of these earbuds. So that's my unboxing and first impressions of the Tronsmart Onyx Free earbuds. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think about these earbuds. If you do like the content, be sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell for you to get updated on every uploads that I make. I do it weekly. Yun lang guys, everyone stay safe. Always remember that there is still a pandemic and kahit na ba nag-a-adjust na halos lahat ng companies sa new normal, wag pa rin tayo magpapakakampante at mag-iingat pa rin tayo palagi. Lagi niyong hugasan ng mga kamay nyo. Wear face mask, wear surgical mask para maging safe ang ating community at malesen na talaga natin, ma-flatten na natin yung curve. Roque, Terte, and yun lang guys. See you sa next video. Bye-bye!